Look for the tiny little road, they said.
Down the lake.
They said, oh, yeah, that's a really windy road, all right.
You feel like you're going to tip over, like...
Only a professional rally car driver could master this at high speed.
Only Dad.
No, not Dad. There's no way you can pull that off.
Challenge accepted.
There's no way you can pull this off.
Maybe when you learn to drive.
Yeah.
There's absolutely no way you can pull off that turn, especially that turn right there by the bridge.
We're logging hours.
8 hours a day.
There's no way you could. There's no way in the world.
Maybe next year's your year. All right.
All I want to say is there's no way you can master that drive.
This is just the
Oh, that's funny. They say it's a windy road. Yeah, they're not kidding.
I'm doing the math.
The math? What?
I'm doing the math. Give me a second.
He's doing the math.
That's perfect.
That's funny.
It's perfect.
Is your boys good? Crowd
They're
good?
good. They'll float.
You need some more?
What about the food?
Okay, that's fine. I got it.
Okay. That'll work.
Okay, so that means, Dad, you have driven the
started
grand
raising
total of, holy crap, that's a lot of hours. At maximum, 67,160 hours.
How many hours did you just do? Thank you.
8 hours for the past 8 hours every day for the past 23 years.
How much longer to the
How many
lake?
hours he's driven? At maximum.
Yeah, but it's not,
Hey, wait a minute. How much longer to the lake again? How much longer till we get to the lake?
Subtract that 1,000.
So 5 days a week, so...
I'm curious if we're gonna get to the lake. Listen.
52
Give me a sec.
times 5. I'll give you the days.
It looks like we're coming up on the lake now.
This is 52 weeks in a year.
Or not.
292. This is it.
53,728 hours.
I redid the math. I like
Do
those
it.
numbers.
This Montana was a mining town, and it was a real town with a school, hotel, post office, and
I can't see it. It's too far.
It's 2 miles to live away.
From here, Atlanta
No, so I
and
didn't see it.
were hauled out of the mountains by train. During the Great Depression of the 1930s, the federal government chose southern Appalachia as ground zero for the largest, most extensive public works project ever attempted in America, the Tennessee Valley Authority. It was, for once, an invasion of outsiders that many of the hill folks welcomed. Rising out of the mountain wilderness of North Carolina is the highest dam east of the Mississippi River. Towering some 480 feet above the valley floor, Fontana Dam is the energy source for much of this isolated region.
This is our house.
Generating 300
our
megawatts,
headquarters. So
Fontana Dam is the largest and most powerful of the 16 dams that make up the EDA.
I'm like, okay, Dad, so
Before Fontana Dam was
this
completed
is our
in
house, and this is
1944,
Trump headquarters. So
devastating
that's
floods
what we need to
plagued
do.
the area. The new dam would rein in the wild river and harness its power, but it would also mean dramatic change for the generations already.
Let me get on camera.
Okay, look, so this is our
The
house,
community
and this
of
is
the
Trump
Little
headquarters.
Tennessee
So,
River Valley, where doors remained unlocked. and
Is that it?
neighbors relied on like
Wow.
Then on
That's our
December
house in
7th, 1941,
Wow. Oh, wow. They really did drain the lake. Look at that.
and hydroelectric
It's
power
down.
was destined
It's entirely.
after military equipment.
Why did they do this? Can someone remind me?
The Montana Dam began on January 1st, 1942. Just 2
Holy
weeks
cow.
after the attack
oh yeah,
on
floating
Pearl
houses.
They drained it.
Harbor. To rush the dam to
They drained it all right. Why did they do that, though?
6,000 workers was recruited, with hundreds of mountain men from the Little Tennessee River Valley
Oh
signing
yeah, I
up.
forgot floating houses.
Many who had been soldiers during the First World War saw this as a way to contribute to America's efforts in the new war. Many new buildings had to be erected to house and feed the huge workforce, and the community they built was called Fontana Village.
There's a nice
The
shot.
site of the dam is just 60 miles from what was, at the time, the largest aluminum manufacturing plant in the world. The Army needed warplanes, and Alcoa needed massive amounts of electricity to boost production and keep construction from
You're going to use all your
aluminum.
storage.
Workers were paid
We'll be coming up on the
$5
lake
a
soon.
day.
That's what
That was the
that's what
average wage isolation. For many, it was the first time they had been able to earn hard cash and was seen as a godsend. The dam is made of poured concrete and was constructed inside a steep-walled river gully. After 3 long years of grueling, unrelenting work that went on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, as the dam was nearing completion.
Here's
and
some-
the
here's another
difficult
shot.
work had been, the most painful task was at hand. The TVA had to transform the valley upstream into a giant reservoir. In the process, 9 towns, including our little mining town of Fontana, would be flooded, and 1,300 families
deliver all the way around this
and farms.
Look
Wow.
out there. Look out there.
TVA agents
I can't- give me a mountain?
$37
That's the floating houses.
You gotta swim the shore.
Doesn't look like that far of a distance.
These houses are small.
However poor in quality it may have been,
Granted, it's impressive that they can float, but still, they're pretty small.
they were heartbroken, as most had ancestors who had moved here over 100 years before, and had carved out both a living
Check that out. Look now.
Yeah.
world.
You can see a house up there on the other side.
But no boats.
There's two
Just
houses,
kayaks.
2 houses, including a log cabin. It looks like.
Anywhere else, much less.
Yeah, but all they have are kayaks.
Ultimately, over 50,000
Wow, that was a big lake.
And over 2,500 locals.
I've never seen that lake.
I'm afraid to put down my camera because if I put it down at the wrong time, I'll miss the big lake and the bridge.
So wait till your film runs out.
I ain't doing that. I gotta pause after I get across the lake. Or across the bridge, I should say.
Then we'll be here a while.
No, not really. It's just the lake itself, so we should have done the bridge
Yeah, was it
shortly.
strained last time?
Certain times of the year.
We saw,
always.
I've never seen
we
it.
saw, I think, what was it, results of a drought? A major drought or something? Because that's what we saw.
It was a lot lower. Oh my gosh, is that house moving?
It's moving alright. Look! Oh no, it's not moving. It just looks like it's moving because of the water.
It is moving.
Is it?
Yeah.
I can't tell.
That guy's relocated. He doesn't like living here anymore.
Okay, you're allowed.
That's a funny one. 100 yards down the river.
Sure.
Living here.
I'm gonna try a new spot.
I'm gonna live right here.
That's my
I'm gonna
spot.
try a Sarah Lake.
Yeah,
That's
right.
my
If
spot.
I see the big surprise when he gets there and somebody's already there.
That's my spot.
If he does get there.
All dibs on that.
Good job, Sheldon.
That's the biggest donut. I want it.
Great job, Sheldon. Great job. Here we go.
What?
That thing is moving.
They have a motor on the end.
Here we go. It'll take a while for him to get to where he's going.
Relocate.
Gosh, he's moving it. It's like a little motor on the back.
I can't tell. I can't see for the trees. Get low the mountains. Get low the mountains, guys. Get low the mountains. They're beautiful.
Guy wants a new fishing spot.
I'm not sure if that's 100% legal.
Wouldn't you just get in a kayak rather than move your whole house?
Well,
I'm not 100% sure that's legal.
Yeah, take some gas.
what if he stalls? What if he
Fill up
just
the tank again. Why is it so
Dad,
much?
Dad, what if he just, Dad, what if he's, I can just imagine he'll stall his boat right in the middle of the lake and goes, okay, here's where I live now, I'm out of gas. Bye. Well, there's a reasonable place to live. Just jump off, go to the shore right there. You don't have to worry about drowning.
In your mode now. Why aren't they moving very fast? Kurt, did you raise that anchor? What anchor?
That's what I call a mobile home
Oh,
right there.
I remember this from the Free Stooges. Hey, you forgot to tie us to handlebars. I couldn't reach them, so I tied us to the back tire. And they just go off. Whew.
The fact that you're recording all this,
I don't care.
all these jokes that most of your audience probably will not understand.
They'll understand, all right. Trust me.
That guy likes the show.
$20.
Yeah, he really does. Just like that other person.
Got a cable. I got a zip line. I'm going
I can't even see the cable. There's too many trees. I can't see the cable. There's too much coverage. We'll be at that bridge soon, though. Right?
development right here
Here's a part of the lake that's dried up.
is a nightmare.
Guys, this part of the lake's all dried up.
It has 120 curves.
Hello, the lake.
I wouldn't want to drive that.
Check out the. Did you notice the thing was tilted?
Yeah, when there's no
Okay,
water
so we
underneath.
should be at the lake, the bridge in some time now. I hope.
Okay, we just passed the lake crisis.
Listen, guys, listen.